How to fix apps crashing in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, update your apps. After update your apps, then open settings and scroll down and click on system update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up for restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.